Our XKmax display comes standard as a countertop display, but we know that counter space can be limited, so we've designed this display to be able to be hung on a slat wall as well. In the front of the display, there is a slot to hold rack cards, which allows the customer the option to learn more about XKmax products. These displays come in 3 different models: Jeep, car, and motorcycle. Each display comes with its own set of rack cards advertising that category-specific XKmax products. The XKmax controller is mounted right on the front of the display for the customer to see and pair to. All they need to do is whip out their smartphone, scan the QR code to download the app, and pair to the controller, and now they have full control of the lighting in the display and get to see all of the features packed into the XKmax app. We've even added a smart brake button to show the customer exactly how the lights can sync to their brake light whenever they're installed on their vehicle. The side of the box can only explain so much, so this interactive display is a great way to show the customers the full capability of our XKmax kits.